All right, try number 2. So technology is not on my side today. Dad said, did you done that? So dad needs to be capitalized. And then dad said, when they're saying something, you put quotation marks. Did you do that? With a question mark. So it should look like Dad said, did you do that? Then for the second one, what does you have for lunch? I have a hot dog. Oh no, marker's written all over the place. So we always know that the beginning of our sentence needs a capital. What do you have for lunch? Question mark. I need to be capitalized, have a hot dog, period. So again, our sentence, what do you have for lunch? Question mark, I have a period. What is the correct date? So we have July, 4, 1776, July 4, 1776, or capital July, and is this the answer? Help find the missing words. So help her, hers, she, find her, she umbrella, help her find her umbrella. What does the abbreviation MON stand for? The day of the week, Monday. Looking at your math for today, write the numerals if I was counting 10, 20, 30, 40, looks like. And then we have, oh, I'm sorry, that's totally wrong. That would be 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, so 440, 1, 2, 3, 4. 400, 44, 8 plus 2 plus 3, hopefully you wrote that out like I asked. 8 plus 2 plus 3. You can make your 10. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. 97 minus 13. So we would do 7 minus 3 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. Write the missing number, counting by odd numbers, going up by 2. So this number would be 49. Color one face of the solid, doesn't matter which one you color. I'm going to color the one down here. How many days are in January? So if you did the knuckle trick and you counted, there are 31 days in January. Don't forget your units there, or days. Are there more green cars than yellow cars? So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. 5 plus 4 is 9. So now if I look, are there more green cars than yellow cars? Yes, there are. And our last problem, Will has a collection of 46 marbles. He saves and buys 2 packs of marbles. Each pack has 10 marbles in it. How many marbles does Will have now? So we would add 46 plus 10 plus 10. There's 2 packs of 10. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 4 plus 1 is also 6. So he has 66, and our units are marbles, because it could be fish or kites if we don't put the correct unit on there.